Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform this picture to become this one. On the left side will be a man is driving a car and with a special prompt so this picture or this photo can be changed into this one. As you can see that he is sitting in the gaming chair or gaming bench and behind him there are four screens with the candlestick. It's like doing the trading. How to do that? So without any further ado and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can access the Nano Banana AI. And if you would like to access the Nano Banana from the Gemini AI from your smartphone, it is pretty okay and you can use the prompt that I will put into the description box. But this time I will access this Nano Banana via Google AI Studio in my PC to get more spacious view. And don't forget to do the login first with your email. And this will be the homepage of this Google AI Studio. And after that, you can start to click this one, the Nano Banana, and you can start to select a picture from your gallery. And for example, I will choose this one. Well, basically, we will change the pose from this driving man to become the, let's say, a trader or the trader of stock or maybe the crypto, etc. And after that, you can put this prompt. So basically, you can use this. And for example, I will read it for you. A man, as shown in the uploaded photo, sits confidently in a sleek black and white professional gaming chair in a high-tech trading studio. Like this is the chair, black and white, and also the trading screen. Behind him are four large LED screens displaying a live Bitcoin trading chart with green and red candlestick. This is the candlestick, right? It's like increase and also decrease, something like that. And after that, you can use this detail to use the uploaded image as the reference for the subject's face to ensure realism and likeness or maintain the same face. And also you can modify the outfit of this man. For example, he is wearing a white t-shirt and black pants and staring directly into the camera with an intense expression and is focused on the action, demonstrating determination and strength. So this can be the look, guys. And after this button is activated, then you can simply click run. And don't worry because I have also tried this prompt and the output would be like this, guys. But don't worry if you are not satisfied about the result or the output, then you can click rerun here and it will show you the another picture, guys. So this can be the result. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And don't forget to try this Nano Banana and this prompt into your version. And please let us know if this prompt also worked for you. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.